Adding a credit card to your Upwork account is essential for managing payments and ensuring smooth transactions. Follow these steps to quickly add your credit card. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Visit the Upwork website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account where you want to add the credit card. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on it to view your current payment options and to add a new credit card. Step 4. Add a new credit card. Click on the option to add a credit card. Fill in the required details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your credit card information, review it for accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize the addition of your credit card to your Upwork account. Now you can manage your payments more efficiently on Upwork. If you encounter any issues, refer to Upwork's Help Center for assistance.